Welcome to Solver Phi.
In this problem, we want to find the strength of the magnetic field in a cyclotron, where the proton is doing a number of revolutions per second. So we can relate the frequency to the magnetic field using that the frequency is equal to the charge times the magnetic field divided by 2 pi and the mass of the proton. So we can write the magnetic field is equal to 2 pi mf divided by q. And then we can write this, the values, 2 pi, the mass of the proton is kilograms. In kilograms is 1.67 times 10 to the minus 27. And the frequency is 3.1 times 10 to the 7 divided by the charge, 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19. And then this gives us 2 Tesla.